Well, good day, YouTubers, friends, and family from across the world. This is Mike with Morning Dew Daily Events Worldwide, January 19th, 2019. Welcome to the most surviving day on this planet. And a big shout out here to Dawn, whom I met waiting for the bus the other day, as we had a 2-inch snowfall come in, but bringing temperatures down to minus 17. This was the scene after dropping a couple inches of the nice fresh white powder. And it was cold, like minus 21 with the wind chill. But there are places in parts of northeast Canada, even Quebec now, minus 35 to minus 45 temperatures, as that polar vortex is definitely dominating North America right now. This was the scene today. Lots of fog coming off of the river. And I got out in the sunshine with the boys, spent some time building the wall. Building a little fortress, having some fun with the snow.
24
Mike, it's your morning dew. And literally, we went from minus 17 degrees last night to a balmy 4 degrees as that southwest Chinook came in from the Pacific Ocean. But now the northern high pressure vortex is dominating again. So we've got north winds already starting to cool off. But it literally jumped 24 degrees overnight. It was minus 17, minus 20 with the wind chill. And here we are. One of my sons, this is Riley. And we're enjoying the nice weather, and I hope that you are too. But stay aware and prepared, folks. We're watching all these extreme weather events happen across the planet. And I've got some great videos for you coming up soon, so stay aware and prepared. This is my mini mic right here.
I started the fortress.
The fortress, the wall has started.
We just have to build this up and make it a tower and just go.
And here we are. Let's look at our 5-day forecast brought to you by Meteo Earth, Meteo Mike. Starting out, North America, as look at that Colorado low developing, going to create a very wintry mix and also blizzard-like conditions on the backside in the coming days. Cold temperatures persisting across the Northwest Territories, parts of Manitoba as well. Look at these temperatures, minus 38. Even Ontario experiencing minus double digits over the next few days. And also a wintry mess coming. They could get up to 20 centimeters of snow through south central Ontario. Northern parts receiving probably 30 to 40 centimeters. And all of Europe experiencing the same thing. Cold temperatures persisting, as well as enormous amounts of snow and avalanches being reported now. So please stay aware and prepared in Europe. You're starting to see grand signs of the grand solar minimum. Look at this low pressure system as it moves straight from the North Pole and down to the Mediterranean. So watch for an even worse scenario building in the next 5 days. Across every continent we've got extreme weather events happening. And even the southern part of Africa watching a large low pressure system actually go across the Africa land. Now just watch it sitting off the coastline there. But in the coming days, that low pressure system will get on land. And it's such a lower equatorial plane right now. Our equator is wider. Hence all these extreme temperatures in Australia. Up to 45, reported 51 degrees. Hottest temperature ever recorded in history for Australia. but these temperatures are persisting in most of the central region, north and west, as they have no relief in sight. So Australia definitely seeing an opposite effect of the grand solar minimum right now, but they are in summertime, but only the beginning of summer. So wow. And across the Philippines and the Indies, still got extreme weather event happening here in Pakistan, as there's videos popping up all over the place of avalanches and glacier avalanches, flooding conditions. But look at those cold temperatures reaching all the way to Qatar. These are deserts that are getting some really extreme cold temperatures. So, you know, the signs are everywhere. And if you are awake to these signs with us, please share this channel with all of your friends and family from across the world. Share it with somebody just walking down the street. Say, hey, do you ever watch YouTube? Check out Morning Dew. He's here for you. Daily events worldwide. Look at the size of this low pressure system building in the Pacific Ocean. That's going to be a huge weather maker across North America in the coming days as it builds and builds and builds. Watching the lower level here, there are literally 6 low pressure systems amongst that one center low. Strange times indeed. Let's have a look at earthquakes the last 24 hours. Here we are, last 24 hours for earthquakes. Largest earthquake being the 5.1, 5.2 Indonesia, as well as a 5.6 in Peru. But it's been very busy. I haven't seen a 24-hour earthquake map like this for a while. A lot of aftershocks coming in the northeast Pacific rise after 6.0 yesterday. So these plates around the world are really activating right now, and you can see it across the planet with these earthquakes. The earthquake patterns are showing us huge crustal movement and displacement. And the volcanoes are popping off in the process, trying to balance everything out here. This is the last 48 hours for earthquakes. We had a 4.2 in Port Hardy yesterday. Or sorry, 2 days ago, the 17th. By the way, yesterday was my sister's birthday. Happy birthday, Lori, if you're watching the video. I love you, sister. Happy birthday. But, you know, here's the last 7 days. It's very busy. Very busy. And we're watching right now a conjunction coming up of Venus, Jupiter, Earth, and Mercury. Look for one of my next videos coming up and I'll show you exactly what's going on with our solar system. As I said in my last video, I'm trying really hard to keep everything organized. I'm a very busy guy right now, working full-time, and I would love to have this as my full-time job, but it's not. So, you know, I'm producing the videos when I can, and I apologize to all those subscribers who look forward to my daily dues, but unfortunately it just can't happen right now, and I'm trying my best. So please stay tuned, stay aware and prepared, because your daily due will be here for you every day when I can do it. But right now it's tough. It takes a lot of time to make these videos. So this is the Pacific Disaster Center. I wanted to show you just all the alerts from around the world. I mean, we are just littered right now with disaster alerts, all of the earthquakes in Indonesia and Papua New Guinea, as well as this Kerinci volcano in Indonesia. Lots of earthquakes around that, and that's a new volcano. Gadavar, Agung. We've got extreme cold in Pakistan. You got winter storm warnings in Tajikistan. I was showing you in that weather map. Flooding in parts of the Mediterranean still. And just, I showed you that large low pressure system that's going to be coming next week. It's going to be a big newsmaker. Talked about the tons of snow and cold across Europe. But we also had a lot of strange tornado warnings all day long across the southeastern United States. And this is really late in the season for tornadoes. Cold temperatures, of course, in Canada. But yeah, very vicious storm headed across southeastern United States today and yesterday. And today it popped up all sorts of tornado alerts and flood alerts. So stay aware and prepared, folks. Much love to you all, and thank you for watching today. This has been Mike with your Morning Dew, daily events worldwide. Stay aware and prepared. Stay young and have fun. And get your Morning Dew. Thanks for watching today. Don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe, hit the notification bell. Much love to you all. God bless humanity. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button, subscribe, share with your friends and family from across the world.